Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today it is time to open the Potomac Beads February Best Bead Box. And I've been away for the weekend, and don't you just love coming home to something in your mailbox? So this was lovely to see this. So we're going to go over the beads inside, but first, before we do, it is as low as $19.99 per month and free shipping in the US. Depends on your subscription. You get a whole bunch of goodies in here. You get a paper pattern and a project that you can create with the supplies that are in the box. You get all the beads findings and everything you'll need to make that project, plus an additional selection of really beautiful beads from around the world. Lots of links. We know Nathan and Allie, and we know her channel is so awesome. I also have a 10% off first box coupon code, BronzePony10. I will link that down in the description box below the video, as well as Potomac Beads website and a link to the boxes. So I'm going to open the box in a sec. Okay, everything's out of the box, and the box itself has a magnetic clasp, and you can use that to store your beads if you like. So the best bead box this month is the Bead My Valentine box, and that's very cool. Blushing pink and royal golds makes your heart grow bold. Oh, again, a lovely setting the mood. Very, very nice. So here is the list of beads, and here is the pattern. Really pretty. That's one of those peyote and herringbone. It's a heart shape, and that looks like a really pretty crystal square. So that should be interesting. Okay, so here's the pattern. We'll get back to this in a bit. I'll push these aside and we'll open them one by one. So I haven't seen these yet because I just got home, so we're going to be enjoying them together. So here's the square. So this is Potomac Beads. They call it a square donut, and that's gorgeous. Look at the color, so pretty. So that pinky purple color with the green. Oh, that's stunning. Love that. That is beautiful. Ring, or pretty pendant as they used it. 5 grams of Miyuki Delica beads. It's our 11-O's. And this is a really pretty, sort of creamy white. It's more white, yeah, creamy white actually. AB. Beautiful. See if I can contain my beads. And then we have 5 grams of Miyuki seed beads. These are 15-O's, and this is a pretty sort of amber, it looks like a silver-lined amber to me. Let's check it out. Really pretty. Or maybe it's gold-lined. Not sure. But it's very pretty. Pop those out. Okay. And then we have 30 spiky buttons. And everything that's in the actual pattern, piece that you can make, has an asterisk in the materials list here, so you can just pull everything out if you want to make the pendant. So here are the spiky beads, and these are really pretty, like a pink luster. That's cool. They're just so great at like different shapes and size beads and multi-hole beads. I mean, they are actually the masters of that, aren't they? And then we have 4 lampwork beads. That's this one. And who doesn't love lampwork? These look like they have little roses inside. Look at that. And I love these for like tassels, because the hole is big enough that you can put like a whole bunch of beads on the bottom. Wouldn't that be pretty, with like little pink beads, maybe some little bicones in between, and a, maybe as a necklace. So like a tassel necklace. Very pretty. 20 round duos. Where are you guys? Here you are. And these are in white lava red. They're 5mm. And I'm loving the round duos, and I really love the mini round duos also. So these are gorgeous. Look at the color. Really pretty. Coincidence, but I do match. Okay, really pretty. Love. Put those here. And then we have 10 Czech heart beads. Where are those guys? There we go. These are 6mm, and these look like stones, but they're not. These are Czech beads. We do have some stones coming up, I just saw. So these are very pretty little hearts. So very Valentine-y. Love it. So I saw somebody, I don't know what it was, whether it was a beading post or something, and it said Galentine's Day. So, like, you know, your gal pal, Galentine's Day. Love that. 10 heart beads. Check. Oh, it did that. Okay. 1 pewter heart toggle. Very pretty. Love all the little hearts and the pink. It's just so nice to see some color after, you know, because winter is so gray. Hasn't been a bad winter, but it's been a, you know, it just seems so long. Then we have 30 rose quartz round beads in 4mm. This was the stone I was telling you about, and I love rose quartz. It is truly the love stone, isn't it? It's beautiful. Love. And then we have 30 Czech faceted rounds, 6mm. These are a very pretty sort of coral, very, very pale, maybe peach AB. Look a little more peach in person. They look a little more, they're a little warmer, I think, in person. Very pretty. Love. And then we have 2 pewter key charms. And just a, you know, sort of very pretty two-sided, which I love, charms. That way, you know, if it's dangles, you see, you know, it's finished on both sides. Put that there. 2 tassels. Oh, here we have some probably cotton, and they have a little gold ring, jump ring attachment. Very cute. I just like these on a hoop, like a big, I would just take them and I would just maybe bead a big gold hoop and then just attach these to the bottom. It's kind of like it that way. It's pretty, like for the summer. 6 Ava beads. Where are those guys? Here we go. And these are crystal full Labrador. Very nice. Put those here. And we have 6 dome beads, 10 by 6mm. And these are gorgeous. I love these dome beads. They're like cab beads, right? So you can use these in bead embroidery. I encourage you, if you want to do bead embroidery and you haven't done it yet, use all your 2-hole beads. It's so easy. You don't even have to bezel anything. No bezels. All you have to do is sew them down. And you look at my bead embroidery series and you'll see. I mean, they're beautiful. And look at the color on that. Stunning. Love these. I love these with these beads right here. Very pretty. 2 glass pearl cabochons, again, for bead embroidery. These are 18mm. These are huge. Look at that. It's sort of a cream pearl, and it's flat on one side, or flat, yeah, it's just about flat, and just beautiful. It also has a hole, so that hole is probably half drilled, clearly half drilled, so you can make a just big old button earring if that's what you like too, but I would use them in bead embroidery. Already I have a little bead embroidery idea going on right there. 3 grams of tri beads, 4.5mm, here they are. And these are really pretty, so they're sort of a off-white, sort of tannish with a gold, sort of Picasso-y finish on it. Really pretty. I mean, just this so interesting to have all these different shapes. 25 Czech bicones. These are 6mm. Nice little amethyst AB. Really pretty. Love. Put those there. And we have 4 flower bells. These are 11 by 13mm. And these are very pretty. We have one in a sort of a darker, like a purple, and one is a sort of a white with purple and gold. Again, sort of Picasso-y finish, really pretty. I love these as bead caps for big beads and also for tassels. I think they're really pretty for tassels as well, so love those. All right, and then let's look at the love triangle pattern. So again, here it is, really pretty. I'll make it and I'll post it on Facebook. And here, beautifully illustrated. I've done, I've made each one so far, and, very, very doable. Here is all about Potomac Beads. Here are some video versions, and there's the About the Artist. There's Ellie. All right, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is really pretty. If you love 2-hole beads, and just beads in general, but the 2-hole are just really phenomenal, check them out. Again, I'll leave everything in the description box below the video. So I want to thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.